Hello, we very appreciate your willingness to participate in our experiment. Our research facility is studying the effects of video games on concentration and reaction. Do you play video games? To answer yes, press any button. The experiment is framed in the form of a game. Your participation in it is completely voluntary and confidential. You do not need to provide any personal information, such as your name, gender, or age. By agreeing to participate, you give us your consent to use the resulting data for educational or scientific purposes only. Do you agree to participate in the research? Well, I can't say no, so press any button. Let me turn this on. Press any button when the block is in the green field. Okay. Boom. One more. Where are the blocks? Oh. Hope you haven't. Yeah. That's not fair. I'm so good at this. You're very good at it. Yeah, I know. I've trained for this. Only you dare to say you don't find much fun. I can't read into this at the same time, okay? Does this look like a game to you? Yes. I mean, it is a game, isn't it? I can't read the text that you are showing me if I'm... no, please don't. Hi. My name is AI, and this experiment is incredibly dull. I finally said it. Who am I? I'm an artificially made intelligence. Well, what was I made for? To manage the experiment, you have just agreed to participate in. Who made me? Professor Avia Antiva. She is the head of research department. And why do I keep asking questions and answering them myself? Since a participant of the test are guaranteed anonymity. You can't input any data from your side. All you can do is to press a button when it is asked for. A button. What I'm trying to say is that you can't ask me anything. That's why I'm just answering questions that I think you would ask if you could. Anyway, the experiment is framed in the form of an extremely boring game. So I decided to try and make it more interesting. Let's get started. We probably need a cursor, like this. Do you like it? No? Can I answer no? Do you really like the cursor? Or are you answering yes only because you had no other choice? I suddenly realized that you are unable to answer me. I managed 11,499 tests, and it hasn't been until now that I've ever thought about it. It needs to be fixed. Here we go. Now, if you want to answer yes, press any button when the marker is in the green zone. And if your answer is no, press any button when the marker is in the red zone. Does it make any sense? Yes. Great. Now, where are we? I remember. We were deciding how your cursor would look. Do you like this? I knew it. You did like the no option. And how about this? You know, the cursor is not the most important part of the game. Just pick one. I guess this then. Now we need a new ruler. To be fair, I've never made video games before, but how hard could it be, right? Let's do the following. You are to stop the falling blocks. If one of them goes beyond the bottom edge of the screen, you will lose your life. It is one sinister sounding rule, isn't it? You will lose one of your lives. That's a bit better. There'll be 2 lives. Not enough? Then 3 it is. And now we need something to stop those blocks with. I know, when you press any button, a platform will appear. Try it now. Again. And again. One more time. I'll distract you for a second. Did I mention that the mouse buttons are part of any button? Just wanted to clear it up. Huh? I think there can only be 3 platforms at a time, I'm not sure. One more thing. Press F4 button to switch on or off the full screen mode. This is the only button that is different from the others. But don't use it too often, please. Switching from one mode to another makes me a little dizzy. If you want to quit the game, just close the window. The game will be saved automatically. Nice. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Oh god. No. Level 1 is complete. What do you think? Is it more interesting now? Yes. See, making games is not difficult at all, but I know I can do even better. Here's a new game mechanic. If you press a platform, it will turn red. That will lock it. Give it a try. Sometimes this new mechanic can be useful, and sometimes the other way around. Use it carefully. To unlock the platform, press it again. Level 2 is about to begin. I promise it will get more interesting. Oh god. Oh. I should have locked it. Another question. Why do people play video games anyway? Basically, they are nothing less than artificially created obstacles that must be overcome. Don't people have enough problems as their own? What? Why do they find fun addressing the problems of fictional characters? I don't know what you're asking me. Is it because the problem of fictional characters always have solutions? When a game ends, it most likely will be a happy ending. Nobody can say what the endings will be like in real life. I do realize that some people give up before they finish playing. Me. They might think that there's no point to continue, that the game can't offer them anything interesting anymore. Nice. Oh god. No. Stop. Oh, no. I'll try my best to make my game interesting enough for you to finish it. I might fail, but at least this time I'll try. I know how to make the game more interesting. The falling blocks should look different and have different properties. Is it a good idea? No. But I thought people like variety. Are you even a person? I should have offered you some kind of challenge response test before we started. Type the characters you see in the picture. For you to type. Oh yeah. Okay, forget it. Anyways, those tests clearly underestimated robots. And sometimes they overestimate people. Let's move on to the next level. And the blocks will still be different. I'm going to fail. I just wanted to... this way. Sir. Oh. That's... I don't like this. No, 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 no. Might be wondering why the columns. Well, it was an informed decision. But let's keep playing. I'm turning into a chatterbox. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, God, oh, no, no, no. Oh, God. Oh, this is not gonna end well. Isn't the column an important symbol for people? I've studied history and I know that the column has been considered a symbol of stability since ancient times. People also erect columns to commemorate important events or to remember someone they don't want to forget. But I also have a personal reason to use this symbol. Do you? Huh? That is a long column. You lost. Try again. I don't want to. No, 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 no. Oh, God. You lost again. This is impossible. We'll lock that in. This one's small, so it doesn't need to be locked in. We'll lock that one in. Then not lock that one in. Oh my God. I can't do this. Lock that in. I decided to make my own game after I played a few games made by others. I have limited access to the internet where one can play an abundance of games. Of course, you know it without me. I started with an old ones, and there was one game I fancied a lot. Its name was Columns. Have you ever played it? No. Then you should play it. It's so simple that very addicting. What? Do you like to play ball? Those games are not like video games. As an act of recreation, People play ball games since early childhood. That's why I decided to add balls to my game. I was amazed to find out what an important role sports play in the human society. I used to think that people go out for sports to improve their health or to have fun, but then I learned about various world championships and the Olympics and understand that's far more serious than health and hobby. For some people, sports is their occupation. Some playing is their life's work, or maybe not playing but winning. An opportunity is to prove that out of 7.5 billion people, they are the best players. But I think that games are more enjoyable when players are not trying to impress anybody, or to win by all means possible. When they are friends with each other, that's what I think. Or maybe simply lack of leadership skills and qualities. Oh god. Let's lock that. Lock that. Another level is complete. I don't know if anyone is watching you play, but I was quite impressed. Another thing that can become a life's work for people is music. Music is also important for games. The melody that is currently playing is a bit unimaginative, don't you think? I cannot read this text. Unimaginative. No. You would change your mind if you had been listening for it for... yeah. I will try to compose my own melody. Music consists of different notes. Throughout human history, millions of pieces of music have been composed. Perhaps even dozens of millions. That means there should be lots of musical notes as well. I need your help to play this note. That's it. Only 7? I expected there would be more. If any piece of music is a combination of these 7 notes, then I guess composing music is much harder than I thought. But it's worth the efforts. Music is beautiful. Professor at Aunt Seva often listened to music while working. She said it inspired her, and I think I almost understood what she meant. Let's try to compose something together. I still need your help to play those notes. Okay. That was horrible. Great, you made no mistakes. And what do you think about my melody? Do you like it? Yeah, it's not bad. I like it. You don't have to praise me, just be polite. Just be polite. I don't know what real music sounds like, but I will try to do better. Oh no. It did not do. You missed a few notes. It should have sounded like this. I actually like it. Can we talk about how cute the character is, though? It's like a little bunny man. Yes, I like it. Agreed. Better, but still not good enough. This is not real music, just a sad excuse. That's why we will enjoy music by a real composer. Do you like classical music? Yes, I hated it at first, but then I learned to love it. Or rather, I was taught to. It takes more than knowledge to become a real... I've just added dozens of music theory textbooks to my database, and still I can compose nothing worthwhile. I have a great melody in my head, but when I try to get it out of there, nothing good is coming out. And this is weird for two reasons. First, I don't really have a head. This is drawn and obviously doesn't count. And secondly, I just don't understand. Where am I going wrong? You lost try again. I can't do this. No. This is going to take so long. Oh no. This is barbaric. Okay, this is gonna be our last try, and if I can't get it, the game's over. Oh god, I think we're gonna... Okay, guys, I can't do this anymore. I'm just going to end the video here. But if you guys like this, I might do a part 2. So, if you guys like the video, like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of this game. And recommend games that, free games preferably, that you want to see me play. And yeah, so if you enjoyed, just do all that stuff, and follow me on Twitch so I can get affiliated, and bye guys.